Alright, so today's story time is How Do Dinosaurs Go to School? So we have our title, and then we have our author, who is Jane Yolen. The author is the person that writes the book. And then we have our illustrator, Mark Teague. That name is here. And the illustrator is the person that draws the pictures. Let's get started. How does a dinosaur go to school? Does he walk? Does he ride in a busy carpool? Does he drag his long tail? Is he late for the bus? Does he stomp on all fours? Does he make a big fuss? When he gets to the school, does he roughhouse and punch? Does he make a quick grab for his classmates' lunch? Does he race up the stairs right ahead of the bell? Does he interrupt the class with his own show and tell? Does a dinosaur yell? And when in the class, plunked down in the chair, does a dinosaur fidget his tail in the air? Does he growl during chalk talks or roar out of turn? Does he make it too hard for others to learn? Does he stir up the classroom by making a noise? Does he tease all the girls? Does he pick on all the boys? No. A dinosaur carefully raises his hand. He helps out his classmates with projects they've planned. At recess, he plays with a number of friends and growls at the bullies till the bullying ends. He tidies his desk, then he leaps out the door. Good work, little dinosaur. The end.